Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to be organized for the photography unit. The first thing you'll want to do is get a student that is reliable and rarely misses school to create a folder on their desktop. You're going to go ahead and right-click and choose New Folder and type in your name. In this case, I'd put Chris, followed by Group. This is where you will put your images once you gather them at school. You will collect the images from your phone or the camera. You want to go ahead and transfer these images to that folder on your desktop. I basically did Control A, Control C, and then Control V to get it into this folder. As you can see, the images are already renamed by their technique. If you understand what the technique is, you don't have to rename them. When you set up your Animoto, you will need to know what these techniques are. In your Animoto, you need 2 examples per technique. As you can see, I have 5 examples of background. Do not delete any of these at this time. What you're going to do is get these images to your classmates. You will right-click on that folder and choose Copy. You will then go to the public drive. You can choose this PC, open up that public drive folder, and then locate computer class. Once you're in computer class, locate your period. If you're period 1, you would go into that folder. If you're period 2, you would go into that folder. So I'll go into period 1, I will right-click and choose Paste. Once those images are loaded, your classmates can then go into this folder and copy that folder onto their desktop.
Make sure you right-click on that folder, choose Copy, then go to your desktop and right-click and choose Paste.
So let's imagine I'm coming in as a different student, getting that folder. I would open up the folder, I would go to this PC, go to the public drive computer class folder, open up period 1. Once I locate the group's folder, I would right-click and choose Copy. I would then go to my desktop and right-click and choose Paste. Once it's pasted on the desktop, I will go in and investigate. If the images are not renamed, I might choose to rename them. At this time, I'm going to delete the images I won't use and determine if I need to take any other photos. I have all of my images, however, there are a couple that are missing. I have 2 for background, 2 for close-up, 2 for depth of field, 1 for framing, 1 for leading lines. So I need to retake those photos, or I might go into my personal photos if I have some really good quality ones and add them to this folder. So I went ahead and found some from my personal photos that I took when I was traveling. Here's one, it's called Leading Lines 2, and then the framing. If I didn't have those photos, I would go out into the hall and take some more photos. You are now ready to get started with putting your gallery and your Animoto presentation together. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.